Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test for doneness in cakes or cupcakes. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So you can see this one is slightly dark on top. So you get a toothpick or a cake tester, you put it in the middle like this, and it comes out clean. There's no cake batter left on it. But if I insert my cake tester in there, you will find that it's got a bit of batter on there. That shows it's still quite raw, and it begins to sink slightly like that. It begins to sink slightly. Can you see that? It shows that it's uncooked. So if it's like this, you can put it back in the oven and then bake them for a few minutes until they're ready. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.